Electric gripper with integrated servo system, Z-EFG-8S, small in size, compact in structure. It is small as a lighter, suitable for deployment in space-constrained environments. The parallel electric gripper completes actions quickly. One-way motion time 0.1 second. Long service life, multi-cycles, better than pneumatic gripper, meets the high speed and stable clamping requirements. EFG-8S supports soft clamping. Users can design fingers according to the items to be clamped. Total stroke 8 mm, finger inner distance 6.2 mm. It adopts transmission design and drive algorithm compensation. Clamping force can be adjusted from 8 to 20 Newton. The controller is built-in, takes up little space, easy to integrate. Supports multiple installation methods from different angles. Suitable for laboratory, 3C, medical, no air source, and space-constrained environments.